Hello guys, I welcome you all back to my channel. This is Chisomebi, and in this video I'll be showing you how to get a free 111 US dollar that you can use to trade and also withdraw from. I've been able to claim this bonus and I'm already trading with it. So once you meet their terms and conditions, you'll be able to withdraw from it. So I want you all to head on to go and claim it. So let's get into the video as I show you all the steps. So please make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you. Alright now, so here is how to get the free $111 no deposit bonus. As you can see, I'm in the site right now. And the first thing that we need to do is to sign up. Then we are going to click on register with email. Okay, so after clicking on registering with email, so we are going to input our email, our first name and last name. So after that, we are going to generate a password. Then after generating a password, they are going to send the code to your email. Yes, so you go to your email, then copy the code and input it. So as you can see, I have successfully registered. So now we're going to go to my dashboard. Then we're going to find our login ID here. Okay, we have our login, then our password, and the server that we're going to use to log into MT5. Yeah, so let's go and log in. Okay, so I'm here. I'm going to click on this plus sign, then I will input the name of the server, which is Headway Rail. Headway, okay. Yeah, we have Headway demo here, but we're going to change it to Headway Rail. Yes, then I'll input my login details. Let's get our login details. Paste it here, then our password. Also paste it here, then I'm going to log in. As you can see, I've gotten the $111. Yes, so you guys should head on and go and claim yours now. Thank you.